Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review over the HART 18-inch cantilever organizer. Now over here is the specs for this organizer. It says it has enhanced durability with polycarbonate lid and metal latches. So I guess this is the polycarbonate lid they're talking about, and this is the metal latch that they mentioned. And then it says it's customizable with 18 multi-size removable bins. So the removable bins are these blue bins. On the top layer there are 12 bins, and then on the bottom layer there are 6, which I will show you in a little bit. Now the dimensions over here says it's 18 inches wide, 9.5 inches deep, and 5.7 inches in height. Now you can see that it has a black and blue color scheme, which looks pretty cool. Now I'm going to open up this toolbox by unlatching these two metal latches. Now this is different from regular toolboxes which flip open. This one actually slides back, doing like a cantilever action with these two parts over here. And then you can see on the second layer, which is the bottom layer, it has those 6 removable bins that you can take out, and you can customize how you want things in this toolbox. I have I guess a tape measure here to show how it may look like. You can probably, you can fit maybe 1, 2 tape measures in one of these bins. So you can keep all your tools and different whatever you need to put in here separate, so they don't get all jumbled up inside. And here is the top layer, and it kind of latches probably from these points right here, and you can open it up. And now this is a lid, and then you can see here it has the 12 plastic bins that you can remove too, and you can customize putting your nuts and bolts or whatever you want to put into this toolbox. But I guess you need a little bit of room to open it whenever you slide it back. But this is a pretty cool toolbox. Looks very rugged and neat looking. But you just close it all up like that, and then you close the lid and you latch it back. Now the thing is, the top lid doesn't open unless you unlatch it. So basically these metal latches hold both the top and bottom closed, so it keeps everything secure instead of having one where the top lid would just flip open randomly on you. But overall, this is a pretty heavy duty, nice toolbox. And this is the bottom. So show you on the side, and here is the rear of the toolbox. So overall, this is a pretty neat, cool looking, colorful toolbox instead of those all black colored toolboxes, which are kind of boring. But I like it. It's a little bit big, so it's more like a medium-sized toolbox to carry all your things. And I like how it's customizable with all the bins. So if you guys have any comments or questions, leave them below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.